Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna fog light bulb. First, you'll need to access the fog light assembly, typically from underneath the vehicle. This often involves removing a splash shield to get clear access. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, you can twist and remove the bulb itself. It's a straightforward process. To begin, turn your steering wheel to the side where you are working. This provides better access. You will find two 10mm bolts securing the splash shield. Remove these, then gently pull back the shield to expose the fog light. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling. Finally, rotate the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to release it from its housing. Before installing, confirm your new bulb is the correct replacement for your Sienna model. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Now, carefully reposition the splash shield and secure it with the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. Turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to ensure it illuminates correctly. If you need to replace the other fog light, simply repeat these steps. You've successfully changed your Toyota Sienna fog light bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.